To enable and set up mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, you want to proceed to connections. And then in here, we want to go to mobile hotspot and tethering. Here we can find our mobile hotspot, which we can easily enable or disable, of course, by tapping on this switcher. Unfortunately, on this phone, in order to be able to set up the mobile hotspot, in order to turn it on, you need to use mobile data. You cannot use Wi-Fi and share the access to the internet with your mobile hotspot. Besides that, we can tap on the mobile hotspot in order to find the configuration where you can, for example, find the name of the network, the password, and the band. If you tap on any of these three options, and then you can proceed to configuration. And in here, you can change the name, change the password, and choose the band. Besides that, we can also find the advanced option where you can find a couple of additional options that might be useful to, of course, enable in specific cases, like, for example, the support of Wi-Fi 6 standard, and there is also the power saving mode as well. And of course, if you made any changes, you want to tap on Save at the bottom of the screen. Besides that, if the mobile hotspot is enabled, then at the bottom of the screen you can generate a QR code, which can be used on other devices. If they have the option to scan Wi-Fi QR codes, then of course they can connect or try to connect to your hotspot without having to look for the Wi-Fi network or your hotspot actually, and without having to enter the password to your hotspot. And last but not least, if you go to the control center or quick settings, then most likely you can find the mobile hotspot button. In here in this place, I just accidentally enabled the dark mode, or actually the power saving mode. And in here, we can of course just tap on this button to enable or disable mobile hotspot quite easily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.